Hey everybody, Brendan here from TAT, updating you on our next webinar being released, which is on GM programming. So we've secured Tomi Oliva, one of the most experienced module programming trainers in the world, known as the Used Module King. He has custom Australian content, so everything that he's put together here on GM is for the Australian market and will suit us. I was lucky enough to attend this course when he came to Australia, so I can personally vouch that this will take you right from, if you're just trying to get started in programming, I would say that GM is probably the manufacturer to start with. It's one of the easier ones to get started. He's going to take you right from a beginner, everything you need to get started, then get into what he's most well known for, just helping you out with the tips and tricks and pitfalls, those things that might just help you one day. So definitely we'll be running through new module programming, getting into used module programming where Tomi excels, and it's going to cover you so that we're not sending stuff to the dealer. And I can guarantee that by the end of this course, you will be confident in GM programming. It is well worth your time. I'll see you there.